Hi, I'm embarking on a fun challenge to see if healthy Japanese food can help my Aussie husband shed his middle-aged weight. For the next 30 days, he'll be eating only Japanese food. Will he survive without his favorite sausage rolls? Let's find out together. I'm excited to share this journey with you. First of all, why do we choose a Japanese diet? There are 4 main reasons. First, it's balanced and nutrient-rich. The traditional Japanese diet emphasized a variety of food, including vegetables, mushrooms, seafood, rice, and soy products. And second, it's low in calories and saturated fat. Meals are often light and focused on fresh ingredients, avoiding excessive oils and sugars. This helps maintain a healthy weight and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. And third, it's high in omega-3 fatty acids. Fish, a staple in the Japanese diet, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and brain function. And fourth, it's rich in fermented food. Fermented food like miso, natto, and pickled vegetables contain probiotics that improve gut health, aid digestion, and enhance the immune system. I've just made miso soup and I'm now preparing the natto. Have you ever tried natto before? This is natto. They come in packets like this and are sold in the refrigerated section in Japan. However, abroad, they're usually available in the freezer section of most Asian markets. You might also find them with different bean sizes and a variety of sauces to suit your preference. Natto has a strong smell, sticky, slimy texture, and distinctive flavor. Natto is highly nutritious, providing protein, fiber, vitamins, especially vitamin K2, and minerals like iron and calcium. I'm making green tea as well. Green tea is rich in antioxidants like catechins, which can improve heart health, boost metabolism, and lower the risk of certain diseases. It's also believed to support brain function, help with weight management, and improve skin health. It's also beneficial for preventing bad breath and reducing the risk of cavities. Regular consumption of green tea may contribute to better overall well-being. This is day 1 breakfast. Rice, miso soup, natto, simmered spinach and deep fried tofu, and green tea. 召し上がれ。納豆は好きですか？
好きです。
ネバネバ。
I like natto on my rice.
For lunch, I prepared cold soba noodles. Boil the soba noodles according to the instructions on the package. Stir the noodles, avoiding sticking each other. Once it's cooked, drain the water and rinse the noodles with cold water and then place them on the plate. Eat them with mentsuyu dipping sauce. I made mentsuyu by mixing 100 ml of soy sauce, 100 ml of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of dashi powder, and microwave it for 40 seconds. Cool them down and place the amount you need into a bowl and dilute it with an equal amount of water before using. For dinner, I made some sushi rolls. Prepare the toppings. I use a cucumber and tinned tuna, canned corn, crab sticks, and tamagoyaki, egg roll, and smoked salmon. For sushi rice, you can use pre-made sushi vinegar or make your own mix of vinegar, sugar, and salt. I also like to add a touch of mirin for extra flavor. I have a wrap yourself sushi temaki sushi video and sushi bento video. Please check them out if you haven't watched them. While I'm making sushi rolls for his dinner, let me tell you what he has been eating normally. He eats peanut butter toast for breakfast, sausage rolls or sandwiches for lunches, and for dinners, spaghetti, deep fried chickens and chips, and so on. And his weight before this challenge was 96.3 kilos. Around his belly was 107 centimeters. Do you think just changing his diet is going to change his weight or waistline? Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Day 1 dinner is sushi rolls, miso soup, and pickled ginger.
I get you miso soup.
Grilled salmon is one of the common Japanese breakfast foods. I pan-fried it today.
いただきます。第2。
When people think of Japanese food, they might picture dishes like ramen, tempura, and beef bowls. They are modern type of Japanese cuisine, but due to their heavy use of oil and meat, they unfortunately cannot be considered very healthy. My husband loves miso ramen, so to make it healthier, I made it with konjac noodles instead of regular egg noodles. Konjac noodles contain just 10 kilocalorie per 120 gram compared to 300 kilocalorie in regular ramen noodles. You can cut off 97% of calories just by switching noodles. I also have a video on how to make konjac noodles ramen if you're interested. I used konjac for dinner too. Konjac is made from the konjac root. It's low in calories, high in fiber, and excellent for digestion. It also helps regulate blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure, while promoting fullness, making it perfect for weight management and overall health. Japanese meals often include smaller portions with balanced nutrients. However, preparing many dishes at once is time-consuming. I often cook them in batches and eat them for the week. I have a vegetable side dish prep video as well. I hope you can find some ideas from my videos. Now I'm making sweet miso sauce for konjac and eggplants. I put the same amount of red miso, sake, mirin, and sugar into the pot. Then heat it on low to medium heat while mixing them together. Finally, I add some sesame seeds. Eggplant and konjac dengaku is ready. I also cooked Takikomi-Gohan, seasoned rice. First, julienne the carrot. Slice dried shiitake mushrooms after soaking them in water until softened. Squeeze out the excess water before use. Don't throw the water as we can use it for cooking the rice. They contain the nice umami flavor. This is aburage, deep fried tofu. Pour some boiling water to take excess oil off. Once it's cooled down, squeeze out the excess water and cut them in small pieces. Drain the konjac from the package and then slice them in small pieces too. Place the washed and soaked rice in the rice cooker. Add the shiitake stock, soy sauce, mirin, and dashi powder, and water up to the line corresponding to the amount of rice you're cooking. Add the vegetables. Give it a gentle stir and select the mixed rice setting if your rice cooker has one. Day 2's dinner is ready. Takikomi-Gohan, seasoned rice, eggplants and konjac miso dengaku, miso soup, and edamame. I upload new videos every week. If you're curious to see how our challenge unfolds, make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you. またね。